Ready to rock and roll?
Hello everyone, this is Coyote. I'm doing kind of a different video today, so I hope you enjoy it. I got a question for you, okay? What does the word family mean to you? Can any of you tell me that? It doesn't have to mean exactly what it says, alright? Family isn't always blood. You can have friends that are still family. It's not the blood that runs through your veins. It's the bond that you have with the other people, other person. Even though for some it is, it doesn't mean that they are any less of a family, okay? I made a decision a couple months back along with my dad. We both got motorcycles. We've rode before, and we've rode in the past, we both have, and so forth, but this time we had a dream to explore. Along with a partial dream of mine, of course, to show off. See, these past few months have been a completely new adventure to me. I went out and done things that I usually wouldn't do. I used to be like a hermit, staying in my room all the time and not really going anywhere at all. I wouldn't do anything. If I did do anything, then I would go out and drive around in my vehicles, and that's about it. That's all I would do on the weekends. But not anymore. I've been going out and adventuring and going out and doing things I haven't done, and it's been amazing to me. Especially given the past year or more has been hard. I lost people I love, and people I love dearly. My mom was last year, and I'm not here to tear jerk you. It happens to everyone. But how you respond to remember them is what matters. What you do with that afterwards is what matters. My mom and dad had places they wanted to see. They wanted to travel and go do things together and just see everything like people do. But the chance was lost due to cancer. What I'm trying to get at is things happen in our lives we do not plan. We don't predict the future. We don't know what's going to happen. They happen when they are supposed to. I have my dad, my sister, my brother-in-law, and 3 absolutely beautiful nieces. I also have a handsome little boy of my own who's almost 2 months old, and a German Shepherd named Lobo. He's amazing. I also have a close cousin and his family. I love all of them. They're my family. Life gets hard at times, but don't let it bring you to your knees. It's not worth it, okay? You're better than that. You all are. The people you, and only you, call family. That's what they are there for. That's why I try to encourage you to be adventurous. I'm not telling you to go out and do something dumb, so don't. I don't want you in jail. I don't want you hurt or anything like that, whatever. I don't want you hurting anyone else, so don't do it. We don't know what's planned for us, and we only get one chance to live it. So why not make the best of it? Why not make it worth your while, huh? You deserve it. People around you deserve it. Even though sometimes other people seem like they don't deserve it, some people are going through more of a troublesome time than you are with things. You don't know what's going on in other people's life. So don't be so quick to judge things, okay? People need you, and you need people. Maybe not always, okay? But there will come a time when you need someone. And it always happens like that, okay? But you need to go out and do things and make it worth your while. That's why I encourage you. And if you don't, you'll never realize how freeing it is, what experiences you might have, what people you might meet. So you can look back and smile at those things. I've only had my YouTube going for a few months now, and just in the people that I've met so far, it's been amazing. That's what I did with a motorcycle and a GoPro. I started this channel so I could be adventurous, because I wasn't doing anything else, so why not? It was work, then home, sleep, work, then home, and that's about it. And then the weekends come, it was sit at home all night. And just so you know, your time is running out, even as you're watching this. So, tell me, what are you going to do about it? Are you just going to sit there? Or are you going to go and make a decision to go do something you've never done before? You don't have to go out and spend all kinds and bukus of money for stuff. You don't have to do that. I'm not asking you to go out and buy a bunch of motorcycles so you can go out and do what I do or anything. Some of you may only like watching the videos and may not actually do it. Everybody has their own hobbies and things that they would like to do, and you could go out and do something that you've never done before and still enjoy your time. Just make sure it's for you and only you. and don't look back. Bring some friends with you. Bring some family with you. That's the whole purpose. That's what I'm saying to you. Bring people with you. Go out and adventure. Enjoy it with someone. Or even if you have to do it alone, that's fine. You'll meet people along the way, and that's what it's all about. So until next time, peace.